Well, then you got psychological 1200, retail 1200.
Right. Carl, we are live, 1200 psychological. As you said, options expiration this week. 130 points now off the bottom, chop and flop. Time of the year.
Yeah, it's summer, light volumes, man. It's real thin. Algos are taking advantage of the inefficiencies in the market, but today's a classic case of the tug-of-war between bulls and bears. People thinking the market's going lower, people thinking the market's going higher, the QE folks, the non-QE folks, you name it. So there's games.
So I count 1, 2, 3, and if you count Sunday, 4, 5, 6. Let's go back 6, 7, 8 days since we entered this 1175. So 1175 is our support. 1206 now is our resistance. Above that, again, we still have 10, 20, 50. A lot of resistance above. The next big move, and again, I say this loosely, we've been in a 35-point range really going back to 8 days. Once we entered 75, although we did pull back to 1105, we went to 1205 from there. As long as we hold 1125, big picture, bullish. As long as we hold 1150, that's the 50% retrace. Here's your levels like we keep talking about.
Well, yeah, I mean, ultimately, I guess you need to figure out, are we teetering on the brink of a recession? And is Bernanke going to do QE3? I don't know that he's going to do QE3. I think he'd love to. I think his hands are tied a little bit. Should he do it? It'll all come off if he does it. It'll all come off. It'll be worse, just like it's worse right now.
Right.
It'll be all for naught. But he feels like he's got to do something. He might do something.
Well,
so that's where we're at.
You know, as you said the other day, when we did this on Monday, the dollar, although not making new lows, has made a new low on the move. It's ugly. It continues to be ugly, and that 72 level below us, that last low goes. How low are we going the next move on the dollar? Probably 68.
Well, if he does QE3, it'll go a lot lower. But if he doesn't do QE3, I don't think the dollar has much giddy up. So.
Right, but that's what I'm saying. We've been locked in this range on the dollar now for a solid 4. Let's call it 4 months: May, June, July, August. 73, 77. We came from the start of the year around 82. So the next move to me is $4 above, $4 below. That's 73, 77. It's pretty straightforward on the price. You get a mirrored move. It's not going to be instantaneous overnight or anything like that either way. But those are your levels there. Again, we're just talking big picture here on a slow summer Wednesday. Oil, again, banging on that 89. We suggested 89 was a sell spot. You were long. Good call there from the 75s. $14 up. Short today for the quick bang off 89. It's paid you $1.50 already, 87.45. So that's your resistance overhead. I'm just talking off the cuff here.
Yeah, I mean, truly resistance in the chart. Really, in ES, really not till once we get above 1206. There's not much until. There's a little in the 30s, but really 46 on ES. So off the top of my head, I can put my crosshairs up and look, but
40 and the 42 level is the 50% retrace, and the 25 level is the 61.8 from that 1077 to 1206 right now. So that's simple math. That's easy.
Yeah, I mean, all this week is options expiration, so people are squaring positions. So volatility is going to get sucked out of options. These people that are calling for volatility to shoot higher than 48, I think we're fucking nuts. So that's not how the market works. But I don't know, man. Ultimately, I think the market's trying to bottom. Bottoming is a process. So the amount of stocks percent above or below their 200 bar, respectively, is going to reflect that. So some of those are coming up. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Just listening to you.
Okay, some of those are coming up, some of those are coming down. I saw some troubling things in financials, tech today. Once again, commodity stocks are just hanging in there with commodities coming down. So it's a real tug of war here. So I can't tell you with certainty which way it's going to go. I certainly think we're going to bottom from a little lower than we are right here. So.
Yeah,
that's just my
and
thought.
we both kind of agree the 10's still got to be tested in a real market close, and we haven't had that yet. We've been so stuck at 11 teens on a closing price. So that's it, my friend. I want to wish you a happy birthday. It is your birthday today, and then get out there and enjoy it. Appreciate you coming on here at the end of the close. Again, basically the same close last 2 days. We're watch that 1200 level. It's the magic round number theory for the options this Friday.
All right, man. Thanks a lot.
Happy birthday.
All right. See you, buddy.